I've been selling art online for years, but as an introvert, it took me a long time to muster up the courage to sell in person at an art market. This video contains glimpses of me figuring out how to table, what to sell, the event itself, and valuable lessons I learned from my experience. I started prepping for my market very far in advance, before I even got accepted. I sketched out my vision for what I wanted it to look like and strove to get as close to it as possible. Since it was my first market, when it came to deciding which art prints and stickers to sell, I decided to bring nearly my whole inventory and see what worked. In the meantime, I had to create some new miniature clay pieces, focusing on mushrooms because those are usually the most popular. I debuted a new design called Blueberry Pie Mushroom, alongside some classics you might recognize. We got there extra early to set up. Technically, the building was already open, so a lot of visitors passed through, and I got my first sale before I even finished setting up. I don't think I'll ever forget my first sale, a grocery ducky sticker for Violet from the UK. Her bright and happy enthusiasm for cute things was the energy I needed to start the weekend strong. The market was 2 days long, and it was one of the best weekends of my life because members of my community came to visit in person. Someday I'll be able to find the words to explain how much that meant to me. Thank you so much. Some bestsellers at the market include the Grocery Ducky sticker, To-Do Bun, SOS Cat, the Wizard Ghost Magic Bike sticker. Some best-selling art prints include Forest Treasures, Bookworm Ghosty, and Bamboo Forest. There are some external considerations when it comes to defining success, but for the most part, we each have the power to define what success means to us. For this particular event, I chose to define success as breaking even for the cost of my spot at this market, which I did manage to do, plus some. There were a lot of additional costs, such as the materials for making all my art, parking, etc. But for my first market, I wanted to set an achievable goal and also define success as truly being grateful for the people who came and spoke to me and encouraged me for this event. It feels weird to end without a classic till next time, so till next time!